Hello, this is Nitin Dahad with EE Times. I'm here with Infineon Technologies and Sam Geha, who's the EVP for IoT, Compute and Wireless at the Infineon Technologies. Sam, hello, how are you?
Hi, great to see you again, Nitin.
Good, always good to see you. So tell me, we talk a lot about both the data centers as well as the edge, and both are important in terms of AI and connectivity. Sorry, in terms of intelligence and smart devices. But tell us a little bit about why edge AI.
Yeah, we do believe the world is going to need both edge AI and obviously data centers. The reason for needing edge AI is mostly latency. People want intelligence right there, right then. So that's the thing about edge AI. We have a product family that we've developed and we're continuing to expand on, where we are optimizing the human-machine interface, or HMI, basically voice, vision.
We need a third V as well now.
We have made it the world's top secure product. It actually meets PSA level 4 security, which is the highest level of security because our customers want to protect their data. And we're able to apply it to many smart home applications, and we're really expanding. And I really believe we're still at the beginning of this whole journey there, where in the future, every device will have some intelligence.
And before we go into some of the technology and look at the relevance of something like Wi-Fi 7, but what are you seeing out in the market at the moment in terms of smart connected IoT devices?
Yeah, so we believe pairing up MCU, our MCU, which is, I also call it baby or mini MPU. We think the world is starting to look for now, I'd say, economically feasible solutions. So the advantage of using an MCU is it provides both a lot lower power and the same performance of an MPU, and at a much lower BOM cost. So that's kind of starting to matter a lot, especially for IoT devices. Now, you need to connect those to the internet. So we also provide Wi-Fi solutions, and that's kind of in my title, the name Compute and Wireless.
Yes.
So in the wireless, we have introduced Wi-Fi 7 for the IoT market at 20 megahertz.
And that's significant, isn't it?
It's a big deal because it provides a multi-link operation, which means it can run in parallel, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz. So as you know, lately in the homes, you have about 40, 50 devices connected, and they will provide interference. So in order to have a very smooth, continuous connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 pretty much very quickly switches between one frequency and the other, actually within half a millisecond. And if you could see this demo right here, here we have a Wi-Fi 6 device on the left side. We have a Wi-Fi 7 device on the right side, this one. And we have an interference device in the back. So you could see here, as we turned on the interference, the Wi-Fi 6 device starting to struggle because it's stuck at the 2.4 on latency. Sorry, this is latency versus time. And you can see the Wi-Fi 7 device actually switch within half a millisecond, and it stays running very well. And so what does that really mean? It means for you as a user, continuous, no interruption in your Wi-Fi. And that's part of...
Especially if you're downloading that movie.
Exactly, I mean, it's just annoying, right? And that's what we believe. It's all about making, for me, PSOC Edge, Wi-Fi, security is all about making things better. Your product's more robust, your product's more reliable, your product's smarter, right?
In a smart home, maybe not the downloading the movie, but for example, if you've got a camera, a security camera, and you want to see what's going on, but there's lots of other things.
Well, that's another huge advantage on Wi-Fi 7. It's got actually 80% lower power than Wi-Fi 6. So we also believe, specifically for a lot of the wireless devices, like cameras, it's a great application for use.
What should your customers be thinking about then in terms of like deploying this for their smart IoT connected devices?
Well, we are working with some of our top customers on many of these applications, as you could imagine, for smart home applications. Things from any device that needs your, from thermostats to your smart ring to cameras, to anything that needs Wi-Fi in the home.
Okay.
So lots of good applications there.
So what will be your key takeaway messages, Sam?
My key takeaway is, in order to be successful in IoT, is you need three things, three pillars. You need a compute. You need the PSOC edge, a good MCU that's got intelligence and that can also has very good human-machine interface. You need Wi-Fi, and we believe the world will head toward Wi-Fi 7, which we introduced recently, and you need security. And all three pillars are critical to the success of smart home and IoT in the future.
Well, Sam, thank you very much for talking to me. We look forward to seeing more, and good luck with everything.
Thank you, Nitin.
Thank you.